Hey guys, so for today's video, this is my first MM2 video. I'm trying to be famous like oh, Vani, W. Stan, Kevin, and Talia. Let's hope we can achieve that goal. So right now we're gonna play MM2. Oh wait, the murderer is right there, so is the gun. Let's try to get it. I'm gonna hide here. Oh, he got fooled. I'm gonna get the gun. By the way, the flower is my cursor. So, yeah. Let's find him real quick. Also, sorry if it's like, um, noisy. This is my first time. Shoot. Oh no. Yes, let's go. We did it. GG. Oh, I'm also the highest. So, okay. Oh, wait, he has core blocks. That's so cute. Anyways, I'm gonna vote hotel because that's my favorite map. Don't take me, please. I'm also watching MM2 videos in the background. So, oh, innocent again. So, the flower is my cursor. Oh my, a lagi bacon. Oh, gotta stay away from everybody because I know I can trust anyone. Oh my, so, oh, I fell. No, no, don't kill me, please. I'm also gonna try to prank bomb. So, yeah. Oh my, let's try it. Oh, that was so tiny. Oh my, why am I keep falling? Oh, 10% now. Okay. Let's collect beach balls. Wait. Okay, I can almost get the sand castle. Yeah. I'm also not that rich. Oh, I got killed first. Anyways, my TikTok is your dot LOCAL underscore Lexi. Yeah, that's my TikTok. This is my avatar, so you can spot me in game. Also, we're gonna skip this part because it's taking so long. Lol. Oh, and by the way, guys, if you want to know how I did the cursor, it's just this. I just covered up it with the flower. Oh, so I think it looks cute, kinda, because I don't know how to do a cursor now, but I'll get there someday. I'll get there someday. I hate police station, bro. Oh yes, go. Let's try to prank bomb. Oh, oh, okay. Oh, I did it. Yay. Wait, where's it disappeared? Merge. Oh, okay. We're innocent again. But it's fine. Oh my. Okay. It's locked. He locked it. Oh my. Oh, someone's raiding. Oh, never mind. I'm also this poor. Look at my profile. I'm poor. I traded my godless for Adopt Me. So, yeah. I don't even play Adopt Me now. I didn't know I traded it. Oh my. Bro, I thought she had the knife. What's that? Why is she holding? Let's fix this. Okay. Yeah. Wait. Someone resetted. Wait, they look like teamers. Oh, wait. No, I'm sorry. They are just matching. Probably not teamers. They're so cute. They're matching. By the way, if you wanna know, my favorite singer is Levy. Here. There. I think you saw what I typed. But her pronunciation is Levy. Let's try to prank Bob again. Oh, bro. Okay. Merge. Oh my. Okay. It's fine. It's fine. I'm I'm having a feeling they're like the merge. She's the merge, I think. Or him. Oh, it's the shark guy. The one that I killed earlier. Okay. I think I'm gonna die. Oh. So the bacon is the sheriff. The bacon's lagging. Did you like see that? I'm gonna like slow it down. Anyways. Okay, he's going here. Oh my. This is so scary. I think she's the sheriff. That bacon. That one. I think she's the sheriff. Is giving. Oh. Oh my. I nearly died. I almost died. Wait, he's not going in here. Okay. It's not clear. Super not clear. She's hiding. I want to be merged so bad now. The merge right over there. But I don't know where's the gun, so I'm gonna try to look for it. Wait, that's the gun. I'm so lucky. I found the gun, yay. Now where is she? Wait, oh my, why did I not shoot? Where is she? I'm so dumb, I didn't get to shoot. My aim. She's targeting. She's right over there. I'm missing so bad. I'm so bad. Finally. GG. Wait, so Oh, he's level 52. Okay, this is my second win. I better get murd. Let's reset for good luck. You know, if I get murd, you guys have to like and subscribe. Yeah. If I get murd, you guys have to like and No, not that map. Fine, visual facility is the best. The best thing I can. Better be visual facility. Cause being murd on the beach map is so like annoying. Because people can jump high. What is that? What is that? Did you oh my. No! Why did I become murd here? Anyways. Let's start going on a killing spree then. That way I have haste. Killed one. Bro, my hitbox. Wait, he's still alive. I swear he's still alive. He's still alive. Gun. Oh my, you're not getting that gun. You're not getting the gun. Give me the gun back, Mr. Bacon. I swear this thing is not... Oh wait, I'm sorry for the thing message. Okay. Bro, he's looking me so hard. Okay. Now let's find a way to kill him. Wait, did the gun disappear? Wait, what? I sure he's not dead yet. By the way, I'm not camping. I'm just looking for a way to like kill him. Let's kill him later. Oh, look at him. He's fighting a sofa. Being murdered in this map sucks. To be honest. It's like so big. And like it's easy for the innocents to win. The gun's still here. Oh. He's not dead yet. I know it. Let's look around. I might switch with the if I have to. Sorry guys, I'm not camping. Oh wait, you can throw. Okay. Anyways, continue. Sorry guys, I'm not camping. Peekaboo. Oh. Wait, I think there's like a secret room here. I found. Oh, it's here. Here's here. Bro, the hitbox. Wait, so what? What about him? He's dead. He's dead. What? Bro. Oh, okay, GG anyways. I just need to get to level 54, then I'll go now. Bye, love. I need sheriff. Guys, I think the reset didn't work because I resetted earlier. Because like, I don't know, just to get murdered. Let's try to get sheriff. Let's reset 2 times. 3 times. I sure, look at that bacon. Sheriff, oh, I knew it. Let's try to prank bomb there because, you know, I want to try it. One time I accidentally prank bomb here, getting away from the murd. I did a prank bomb, but I did not make it up. Oh. Who's the nerd? Who's the nerd? He declined to flick so hard. Okay. It's probably my last round. Someone's an elite. Elite. I don't know how to pronounce that, and sorry. Oh, sure house. Oh, oh, okay. So already 15 minutes. I recording. Sorry. Let's go. It worked. See guys. Now I'm scared. I might lose. First, shoo, shoo. Please go away. You gave me a heart attack. I can shoot. What? Teamers? Where's the teamers? What? Okay. This is so bad. I'm leaving this game.